Haryana is witnessing a multi-cornered electoral battle as over 2 crore voters are exercising their franchise to elect 90 legislators in a single-phase assembly elections. Today, the ruling BJP is eyeing a hat-trick of assembly election wins, while the Congress is hoping to return to power after a gap of 10 years. Apart from the BJP and the Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party and two alliances, that's the INL, the BSP, and also the JJP and ASP, that's the Azad Samaj Party. They are also key players in the single-phase polling today. Okay, we have a breaking news coming in, viewers. So let's take a look at this news. At the top of this hour, a clash has reportedly broken out between BJP and Congress workers outside a polling booth. This happened in Hisar, reportedly. More details are still awaited, but we have those dramatic shots. Reportedly, what we know so far purportedly is that BJP and Congress workers ended up clashing. The clash has been reported on camera. Again, reports suggest that these are possibly Congress and BJP workers. A clash broke out reportedly and purportedly between these two workers. This was outside a polling booth is what we are getting to know. The incident occurred in Hisar. More details awaited. Sabyasachi on the phone line. Sabyasachi, over to you. Take us through exactly where the clashes broke out. Who are the two groups which are clashing? Is it confirmed that it's BJP and the Congress workers? And why is it that the clash erupted to begin with?
As per the reports, the clashes took place between the Congress and the BJP workers allegedly in the Narnaul area of Hisar constituency. Now, a clash had broke out between the BJP and the Congress workers outside a polling booth here in Hisar, and the police were quick to intervene and have pacified both the parties. Meanwhile, the Haryana police forces are currently deployed outside the polling booth where this incident took place, and the police is trying to make sure that no more reports of clash takes place in this particular area, as well as more details are awaited as per this incident is concerned, because the police, first of all, the main motive of the police was to make sure that there was law and order situation maintained in every polling booth, and as soon as the reports were received by the Haryana police that the clash broke out, they immediately reached the spot and intervened and have pacified both the parties.
Right, and Sabyasachi, take us through what action has been taken so far. Has the situation been controlled? What's happening on the ground? If you could tell us a little more about that.
See, the situation as of now is under control as per the reports that is coming in from the Haryana police. But the reason behind the clash is still unknown. We have to wait for the police official confirmation. The Haryana police is yet to make an official statement regarding this.
Right, and okay, Sabyasachi, we're talking about the updates which we can see. Clashes can be seen, of course, on the screen. BJP and Congress workers reportedly clashing in Haryana. Do you have any official police confirmation or any police official who has spoken about this and could possibly give us more details on the same?
As of now, the police officials have not reacted to this. First, the priority of the police was to intervene as soon as possible and make sure that the law and order situation is maintained on ground, because we had seen that the police since morning were making several rounds in different polling booths to make sure that local people are able to cast their vote peacefully. So in this regard, the main aim of the police was to make sure that as soon as the clash broke out, to intervene and pacify both the parties and make sure that the clashes does not spread further. So we have to wait for the official confirmation of the Haryana police in this matter as to what led to this particular clash between the BJP and the Congress party workers here in Hisar.
Okay, Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with all these details. Viewers, talking about the latest from the ground, clashes have been reported. Meanwhile, polling is also underway on the other hand, and we've had an exclusive